Before you buy Onramp funds, there are 7 important things you absolutely need to know. Stick around until the end because I'll give you a comparison with other platforms and explain how Onramp funds stands out. By the time you're done, you'll be able to make an informed decision on whether it's right for your needs. First up, Onramp Funds offers a seamless, easy-to-use platform to help you invest in cryptocurrency without the steep learning curve that usually comes with it. Whether you're new to crypto or a seasoned investor, Onramp Funds simplifies the process, making it easier to diversify your portfolio. Unlike some competitors, it doesn't require a technical background, which is a big advantage if you're just starting out. Next thing, Onramp Funds doesn't just cater to individual investors. One of the key features is its ability to scale for businesses and financial institutions. If you're an advisor or run a firm, Onramp Funds allows you to integrate crypto investment solutions into your existing offerings. It's a game changer for people who want to give clients access to crypto without taking on too much risk or dealing with complex back-end processes, a feature that not every crypto investment platform can match. The third thing you need to know is their pricing structure. Onramp Funds charges competitive fees, especially when compared to some of its more expensive competitors. While some platforms charge high transaction fees, Onramp Funds ensures lower costs on transactions, which is a huge plus if you plan to make frequent trades. The transparency of their pricing is another thing that sets them apart from others in this space. The fourth thing you should understand is their security measures. Onramp Funds places a strong emphasis on security, which is crucial when dealing with digital assets. Unlike some platforms that may have security breaches or lack comprehensive protection, Onramp Funds integrates top-tier security protocols, including two-factor authentication and encryption. This ensures your investments and personal data are protected. Another important point to mention is Onramp Funds' customer support. Many people report that when they face issues with other platforms, the support is often slow or unhelpful. Onramp Funds stands out here by providing excellent customer service with fast response times and helpful, knowledgeable staff available when you need them. This is critical when you're dealing with real-time investments and need quick resolutions. The sixth thing worth mentioning is the ease of withdrawals and deposits. Onramp Funds allows you to deposit and withdraw funds with minimal friction, which is something that many users appreciate. Whether you're moving funds into crypto or taking them out, the process is straightforward. Other platforms might make this process more complicated or take longer, but Onramp Funds makes sure you're not left waiting. Finally, Onramp Funds offers a variety of crypto options to invest in, from mainstream coins to emerging tokens. This allows you to create a diversified portfolio tailored to your risk preferences. It's an advantage over platforms that offer limited options, making Onramp Funds a better choice for those looking to explore various investment opportunities within the crypto space. Now, if you want to try Onramp Funds for yourself and get the best deal available, make sure to click the first link in the description to grab the best free trial and get some exclusive benefits. That's the best way to experience all the features I've mentioned today and see if Onramp Funds fits your needs. Remember, choosing the right crypto platform is critical. If you want an easy-to-use, secure, and cost-effective solution for your crypto investments, Onramp Funds could be the perfect choice for you. Click the link below to start your free trial and get the most out of your investment.